What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail, and today's cocktail, guys, is the classic Sex on the Beach. It was a big hit throughout the late 80s when it was invented in Florida and throughout the 90s. Still a popular one to this day, really, because as I've had it when I was younger, because I went on your nights out, and who hasn't had a Sex on the Beach or woo-woos like that throughout the day? But I will show you guys how to make a Sex on the Beach. So what you want to do, guys, is get your Collins glass and fill it with ice and put to one side. So as you can see, guys, we put 2 giant ice cubes in our mixers, because we'll have the ingredients in there as we'll build it in our mixer. So the first ingredient into the mixer is 50ml or just over 1.5 ounce of vodka. It is a vodka cocktail, the Sex on the Beach. Next, 50ml of cranberry juice. As you can see, guys, we're using ocean spray. So again, it's just over 1.5 ounce. Next, 25ml of peach schnapps, which is just under 1 ounce. So next one is 50ml, just over 1.5 ounce of fresh orange juice, or OJ for an American audience. But it's worth noting, you can use pineapple juice instead of the OJ, like it has been used in some recipes if you wish. But I will leave that to you. And another thing that's optional now is the Grenadine. This is completely optional, or if you want to use a different recipe altogether, like creme de cassis. But we're going to use Grenadine, because I add just a dash, which is about 5ml. And I get your spoon and give it a good stir until it's cold. So get your strainer and strain into your Collins glass. Beautiful. And the final thing to do now, guys, is garnish it with an orange slice. And there we go, one Sex on the Beach, absolutely perfect. And there we go, guys, one Sex on the Beach. How does it taste? Very refreshing drink. Because I would recommend fresh orange juice instead of your concentrate like that, because it gives it that more of a refreshing taste. But that is a very nice cocktail. It's certainly a classic one, it's a classic cocktail. And it certainly complements the cranberry, that's what you're tasting with the vodka. It's a nice classic vodka cocktail. I just wish I was somewhere nice on the beach drinking this. That's what it reminds me of. But that is the Sex on the Beach, guys. What do you think of the Sex on the Beach cocktail? Have you had it back in the day or ever at all? What do you think of it? But that, guys, is the Sex on the Beach. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.